tutorial is to know the various glitches in Roblox. Users can make several changes and customizations to their character or avatar by modifying the face. A lot of players have been asking about the Roblox faces glitches and how it works. Here I will show the various hacked faces of Roblox Avatar. At present, I am using the face from the Roblox inventory. Now, I will do some changes and you will find the funny face in my Roblox avatar after rejoining the Roblox game. You will see, my avatar face is look like an old man who have big mustache, big nose and two big eyes. Look like a villain of a movies. Able to hack the Roblox configuration and changes to replace my avatar faces. Even in this game, if you look, the other players have own faces and changes are only impact to my avatar. While my avatar is dancing and enjoying the songs inside the game, in the background, I am doing the changes in the Roblox faces with the other faces. Here I don't have to spend money on Robux and no selection of items from the inventory. Just hacking the Roblox face. Restarting the game to reflect the changes. Oh my god, this time, I would have evil face in my avatar. My avatar is scary, but the good part, it will be useful for making the horror movies or clips in the Roblox. I know it's requiring some improvement for the better look of the images, but I am not showing the editing jobs. My tutorial is to show such kind of hackings are possible in the Roblox. You will be surprised, this time female face is applied in the Roblox man avatar. It's strange why the beautiful female face on the man face, but that's the objective of tutorial, to show that even game player and Roblox developer can do it without spending a single penny. Now going to apply the sad image on the Roblox avatar. See how it's look like. If you are interested for doing the same in your game profile, then I would like to give the tutorial on it. In the coming videos, I am planning to show the such kind of magic and configuration changes in the Roblox. Please comments on video if you are interested to see it how hacking of faces can be done in Roblox. If you look, I am joining the game Island of Move again and again after doing the changes in the My Roblox game in the background. And you will start seeing the new face of my avatar. Game player should note that this is not exactly a glitch, and it actually works by making changes to your game files. We should note that the character will only appear faces to ourselves and not for other users. Nonetheless, we can use these avatar faces for recording gameplays and live stream. Even, we can make the movies and video using the various faces and character. Now this tutorial is end. If you find the tutorial is helpful, please consider to subscribe the YouTube Panda Tech Tips channel. Keep liking and commenting on video. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.